This Delta how-to video will show you how to replace the cartridge on your Delta tub and shower.
Over time, just about any shower can develop a leak. Seals can dry out and calcium and mineral deposits can build up. But this is a relatively easy problem to fix if you know how. Today we're going to show you how to replace the cartridge on your Delta shower. We'll also show you how to replace the seats and springs, which is a lower cost alternative on some shower models. Before getting started though, make sure you have quality replacement parts for your Delta shower. If you need some help in determining your type of fixture, visit our website at deltafaucet.com. Begin by turning off the water supply to the shower. Since most showers don't have individual supply valves, you'll need to shut off the water to the entire house. Cover the drain to make sure you don't inadvertently drop any parts down the drain. If your 1314 series shower was shipped before March of 2006, you will need to order part number RP19804. These are the pre-multi-choice showers, and you can identify them by the white cartridge cap. Now, if you have one of the multi-choice series of showers from March 2006 and after, you will need to order part number RP46074, which has a gray cartridge cap. For more information, check the cartridge reference sheet in the instruction manual. Using an Allen wrench, loosen the set screw holding the handle in place. Now remove the handle and then the trim sleeve and spacer. Next, you will see the valve cartridge, which is held in place by a bonnet nut. Use a strap wrench or a pair of channel lock pliers to remove the bonnet nut and set it aside. Remove the valve cartridge by grabbing it firmly and wiggling it back and forth as you pull it out. As you do, any remaining water in the lines will pour out as well. Reinstall the cartridge, making sure the hot side marking is on the side of the valve the hot water comes from. This is typically the left. Line up the keys on the side with the slots in the valve. Put the bonnet nut back on and hand tighten fully. Now, reassemble the components of the faucet. T17 series showers shipped from March 2006 on utilize a multi-choice replacement cartridge with a gray upper cap, part number RP46463. Start by removing the knob cover. Then use a screwdriver to take off the temperature control knob. Slide off the handle assembly, which contains the rotational limit stop. Now remove the trim sleeve. Inside the valve, you will see the cartridge assembly, which is held in place by the bonnet nut. Use a strap wrench or pair of channel lock pliers to loosen the bonnet nut by turning it counterclockwise. Then remove the bonnet nut by hand. Now pull out the cartridge assembly, wiggling back and forth as you pull. To install the cartridge, make sure the words hot side end up on the side the hot water comes from, typically on the left. The keys on the side of the cartridge should line up with the slots on the valve. Screw on the bonnet nut and reassemble the faucet in the reverse order from where you started. On the 17 series showers, you can also replace the seats and springs, as well as the quad seals to help repair any leaks. Now, these are behind the cartridge in the valve body. After the cartridge has been removed, inside the valve, you will see the adapter, which contains the seats, springs, and quad seals. Use a long tool like an Allen wrench or screwdriver to gently reach in and slide these out. Install the new quad seals first. Then place a new seat and then a spring, large side out, over the Allen wrench and slide it into the open slot. Use your finger to push it into place. Now do the same with the other side. If you have any doubts, Delta recommends that you go ahead and replace the entire adapter, which is part number RP46073. Simply loosen the screw first, pull out the entire adapter with a screwdriver and needle nose pliers, insert the new adapter, and tighten down the screw. If your 17 series shower was shipped before March of 2006, you'll need to order the right replacement cartridge, RP32104. This has a white upper cap and longer tab at the bottom. The 17T series shower requires a new multi-choice replacement cartridge, part number RP47201 for the repair. It also comes with a grease packet for lubricating the O-rings. Take off the knob cover and remove the screw holding on the temperature knob. Use an Allen wrench to loosen the set screw and remove the handle assembly. Take off the trim sleeve. Next, you'll see the cartridge, which is secured in place with the bonnet nut. Remove the nut with a strap wrench or pair of channel lock pliers. Reach in and slide out the cartridge by wiggling it back and forth while pulling. Apply some lubricant to the O-rings of a new cartridge and install, making sure the hot side is positioned on the side the hot water comes from, typically on the left. Line up the keys on the cartridge with the slots on the valve and push it into place. Screw on the bonnet nut and put the faucet back together in the opposite order. To find the correct replacement parts for your Delta shower, you'll need to know the model number. If you're not sure, you can check out the Identify Your Product feature on our website at deltafaucet.com. If you have additional questions, contact our customer service center at 1-800-345-DELTA. And for more how-to videos, visit our website at deltafaucet.com.